The Supreme Court is to conduct the first hearing of former Mumbai top cop Param Bir Singh's plea, and this is now slated for tomorrow. He had put in this plea in the Supreme Court just yesterday, asking for a CBI investigation into the allegations that he's put against the State Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, of allegedly running an extortion racket. So the Supreme Court has admitted that, and the first day of the hearing now is going to be tomorrow. This is of course going to be very closely watched, and for what reasons here as well. Explaining that further is our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja, getting us those details here. Yes, Meenakshi, please go ahead on the reasons. Of course, these were one being sensational charges coming in from a former top cop who was shunted out, and the charges he's slapped against the State Home Minister in terms of allegations there. But second, also to have the CBI investigate this.
Underline for our viewers why the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court has been invoked in this case. Number one, our viewers will recall it was the state of Maharashtra that had withdrawn the general consent to CBI to probe such cases. And for any central agency now to get involved in any investigation, it is imperative it has to be at the behest of the orders of either the Supreme Court or the High Court. In this case, Param Bir Singh obviously wanting to try his luck directly before the Supreme Court, bypassing the High Court forum and reaching the Supreme Court, where the matter will be taken up for consideration for the first time tomorrow. Tomorrow is when the Supreme Court will decide whether or not it wants to formally admit this petition by virtue of issuing notices to Anil Deshmukh and other respondents of Param Bir Singh's petition, or the Supreme Court will ask Param Bir Singh to try his luck first before the High Court. That is what remains worthwhile to watch, because this is a high-stake matter where Param Bir Singh clearly does not want to be taking a lot of chances, which is why we have also the former Attorney General, Mr. Mukul Rohatgi, as we have broken first on air now, who will be representing Param Bir Singh in the Supreme Court tomorrow. So a high-stake matter where we have already seen respective political parties lay out their stances. Someone as powerful as Mr. Sharad Pawar in Maharashtra clearly backing for Anil Deshmukh, and therefore it is a political hot potato where Param Bir Singh will hope that certain reprieve comes his way.
That's
from
right.
The top court.
Absolutely. Many thanks, Meenakshi, for getting us those details on what to expect here on this in the Supreme Court tomorrow.